Hi guys, it's David here from One Step at a Time, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an ISO file from your files and folders. So what we're going to be using is ImageBurn to do this, but I get all of my software and applications from here, which is it's a fantastic resource. It's called Ninite.com. I'll leave a link in the description. You just choose all of the bits and pieces you want. It removes any kind of adware, bloatware that might be added to it, strips it all back. So just built a new PC, and this is a fantastic way of adding all the bits and pieces that you might need without all of the other crap. So that's Ninite. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you click whatever you want, and you get your Ninite inside in your, just go into my documents, go into your downloads, you'll get this installer.exe. You run that, it'll download everything. And if you have any issues and you want to update everything, just run this a second time and it'll update everything for you. So it's brilliant that way. So just minimize that. As you can see, these are it's Linux 17.1. These are the files I want to create into an ISO file. So just when you've downloaded ImageBurn, run ImageBurn. And then in here it's create image file from files and folders. So you create that, and then you click on your folders icon, and then you choose that and say select folder, and then the destination is wherever you want it. So I'll click on here and I'm going to have to put it into my documents. And what I'm going to do is just rename this and click save. And then you just run, and then it asks you if you did like I did and you have added your files and folders in a folder for keeping them. You don't want that on the outside, so you just want the internal section of it. So it says would you like to add it? You say yes, and so label, I'm just going to say yes. So it's done. If you liked the video, hit the like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers, bye.